Okay, so I'm away on holiday and I picked up this oil can from an antique shop for $5, and I'm going to see if I can clean it up. Yeah, of course, I brought with me a little Dremel, so I'm going to start off with the 180 grit, give it a clean up and see how it looks. See in a minute. Now, as you can see, there's really big build-up of dirt and grime and rust on this old oil can, but I don't want to take too much of the character away. I just want to clean it up, get it nice and shiny. For this project, I'm going to be using the finishing abrasive buffs, starting off with the 180 grit, moving on to the 280 and eventually getting to the 320. And I'll be using them on the Dremel Lite, which is perfect for this type of job. It's small, easily held in the hand, and it's cordless. So as I said, I'm starting off with the 180 grit and I'm running it at a low speed. Now, it's not recommended you run the finishing abrasive buffs above 15,000 RPM. They'll just deteriorate really fast if you do. But just take it slow and steady and work your way across the surface of the metal. As always, I'll list everything I've used in this project in the description below. So to get into all the finer details and all the corners and nooks and crannies, I've swapped over to a detail abrasive brush, and this one is 120. I'm also using the speed click system because it makes it really fast and easy when you want to swap out one of the accessories. And again, I've swapped over to a detail abrasive brush, and this is the 220 grit. And now back to a finishing abrasive buff, the 280 grit. I didn't feel it was necessary to go up to 320, I just stuck at the 280. And that's job done. I'm really happy with the way this turned out, and it was really simple to do with the Dremel Lite. If you've enjoyed this video and feel it's worth it, please drop me a like and a subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Love you.